Hey, good morning. We are showing you the perfect way to pamper your pet and how you can win a Troop Pooch makeover. All that and so much more coming up on the Fox 5 Morning News.
I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations.
It's National Take Your Dog to Work Week. Heather Ford live in San Marcos with some advice on how you could take them. Oh, that dog is so beautiful, Heather.
Isn't this the cutest little pup and so well behaved? So this is my advice for people who are allowed to take their dogs to work this week. A dog like this, probably suitable. If you have a big one that's a little rowdy, you might want to wait and just keep it at home. But it is supposed to relieve stress if you bring your dog into the workplace, and that's what this is all about. Plus, we are at Sydney's Grooming here in San Marcos. They have a couple of locations around San Diego, and we want to explain a little bit about their Troop Pooch makeover that's going on because we have one of the winners here. But Angie, what do people get if they enter for this Troop Pooch makeover?
Well, you nominate a active duty military person, family, anyone who needs some extra help with their dog during whatever times are going on. That'll include, if they're chosen, we do this once a month, if they're chosen, that'll include a full styling with us, a training session, a veterinary exam, a teeth cleaning, a photo shoot, and a gift card for Metropolis.
Wow, that's a lot. So this is an ongoing thing. People can enter every month. We're going to put the information up on our website, fox5sandiego.com. I'm going to pass over little fluffy Lucy to you. She is so sweet because Kat here is the winner from this month. And Kat, you have little Tater Tot, and Tater Tot is going to get some training while your hubby is deployed. He's in the Marine Corps. So congratulations. What kind of training does little Tater Tot need?
Leash training.
Oh, yeah. Look at him. He's like, I am so excited to be here. Yeah, you can tell around a lot of the dogs. He's really excited. How old is he?
He is 3 years old.
Hi, Tater Tot. Yes, he is very excited. All right, well, Tater Tot's going to get some of those services, and I want to talk to Dr. Weingard because you're one of the veterinarians who's going to help out. So what are some of the services that you're going to help with our military families?
We're going to be offering a full head-to-toe exam, and we're going to update the dog's vaccines and give some flea control so they'll be protected from the nasty critters from the summertime.
Yeah, and if these people are deployed, sometimes it's like you're a single mom to that pet, so it's kind of tough.
Exactly. It can be very tough because pets do require a lot of care, and so we just are really excited to be helping out these families any way we can.
All right, also they're going to get some training. Let's walk outside because the trainers are on hand. Tater Tot's going to be coming out here in a little bit, but Jen, you guys are Wonder trainers, Wonder Dog trainers?
Wonder Dog Training, and we work in North County. This is Amanda, and she's working with Sophie. She's only been working with Sophie for just a couple days, and she's working on some pretty fun stuff here, such as go to your place, go to your mark, sit, stay, some of the basics. We're having a lot of fun with her.
Well, and there's so many dog parks in San Diego, so if you have a big dog, we were just talking about this as some of the big dogs start coming in for their pet grooming, how important it is to get those dogs leash trained and make sure that they know how to be socialized around other animals too.
Yeah, there's no question about that. Actually, we get a lot of calls from people who have dogs that are what we call leash aggressive or leash reactive, and it's simply because they're feeling a little bit of frustration because of the fact that they're on the leash, and the owners obviously don't know how to handle that. So sometimes things go from bad to worse, and sometimes very quickly. So that is a really common problem. So working around other dogs, getting them used to distractions and socializing them, really, really important.
Do you think most people can train their dogs on their own, or they just don't know the tricks? Do you guys know something special that us in the public are like, well, we've never heard of that before?
I think that a lot of people have good common sense. I'm really surprised by the number of people that have good common sense, and really, I mean, seriously, they
Very honest of you.
Yeah, no, but they've had dogs before and they kind of know what works. But sometimes they need a little bit of extra help. Like sometimes they have a puppy that has puppy training issues, and they've just never run into that before. Maybe they have had 5 labs in their life, but one lab that they have just isn't like the others, and so sometimes they have behavioral concerns and they just need a little extra help.
Yeah, he already learned how to shake in only a couple days. Good job. All right, so this is all part of the package. It's that Pooch Troop makeover that you can win, and so we want to make sure we're putting up that information on our website, fox5sandiego.com. So if you want to enter, this is every month, and make sure if your husband, spouse, wife, whoever's getting deployed, that you enter if you got a pet at home and you need some help. So for now, I'm going to send it back to you guys in the studio.
Oh, sounds good. All right, Heather, thank you.